Can't install Roblox because the installer keeps showing cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. Hi there guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this error on your computer. So without further ado, let's start. Solution 1. Step 1. Clear Roblox website data from your browser. To do this, first open up the browser you use to visit roblox.com. Now I use Chrome, but if you're using a different browser, the settings are pretty much the same, so you follow along. Now click on this three-dot icon and select Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security. Then on Site Settings. Now click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. In this search box, type roblox.com. Now hit that trash icon and select Delete from this pop-up. After this, close the tab and open up roblox.com again. Now log into your account and move on to the next step. For the second step, delete temporary Roblox files from your computer. To do this, first type Run in the search bar here and open it. Then type %localappdata % here and hit Enter or click on OK. Now File Explorer will open up. Scroll down a little and find the Roblox folder. Delete it. Then open up the temp folder from here. Scroll down again and find the Roblox folder and delete it. Lastly, open up roblox.com from your browser. Then click on any game and click on the play button. Now select Cancel from here and click on Download and install Roblox. Now Roblox installer will be downloaded. Then click on the installer and it should start installing Roblox on your computer without any error. And guys, that's how you get rid of the cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running error in Roblox. If you found the video useful, drop a like. If you still got questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching!